శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Bhudevi praying Pridhu Maharaju like this, O Deva, once you are the one who uplifted me from the water and got the name Dharadhara and you became popular. Now the same you are ready with arrows to kill me. O Prabhu, Samniyacha, please bring down your anger. Please listen to my words carefully. O Raja, as and how butterfly collects all the honey from all kind of flowers, so also the smart person should be extracting essence from all places. O Prabhu, great people like Maharshis already gave us so many means for all of us to attain Purusharthas, Dharmartha, Kama, Mokshas. Those who learns those means and practices those things, they will get those fruits. But those who does not respect those means, they will not get any fruits. O Raja, on this earth, four-headed Brahma already made all kind of medicinary herbs, all kind of grains available long time back. Only with those grains all beings are living. Some of the great people performs yajnas by using those voshadhis. But now in the world, dharmam and the righteous life came drastically down. Nobody is performing yajnas. All the voshadhis, all these herbs are going waste. And there is no such great kings like you. There are so many bad people coming up in this world. If they use voshadhis, again apalita anadruta cha chori bhute. If bad people utilizes voshadhis, all the grains, there will be no any further production. That is why what I did, because bad people are utilizing, if they use, there will be no any further production. If there is no any further production, there will be no voshadhis available to perform yajnas. If there are no yajnas are performed, the dharmam, righteousness on this earth will be totally destroyed. With all these thoughts came into my mind, what I did is, aham agrasam voshadhihi. I kept all these grains, herbs, roots within myself. I hid all of them within myself. Like that, Bhudevi praying to Prithu Maharaju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.